Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. So I've done a few videos now on this 5-minute strategy, and we've got some history here, some signals that have fired, and I'm going to go through these and see how they stack up. We'll just start from the top and we'll work our way down. Now there's a link to the video playlist on this strategy in the description below, so make sure you watch those. And there's no TA. It's just a 5-minute chart, as you can see, and we come in as the signal fires and we take the trade pretty much. So let's just run through the signals here and see how they stack up. This is the last one, Aussie Swissy. That's this current signal. If you wanted to trade it, I would wait for a pullback up into this range and then take it. If it trades off and leaves you behind, let it go. The signal before that, here's how you trade it. Signal fires, bullish break, you mark up where it broke out, okay, break its structure here, and then we look for the pullback into, retest the range where it broke out. I'll get into how we take the trade shortly. I just want to go through these signals and see how we went with them. If you traded every one of these, how did you go? Okay, breakout. This is the last signal that fired here. Pretty volatile, this one, but we take that. Breakout, mark up the range, take it. You've got your stop loss up through the cloud, and then you start to trail as this trades in your favor. Aussie CAD was the next one. Guys, which one of these would you not want to take? Right, there's the break of structure. Here's the pullback after the breakout. Just set up your sell orders in here. It comes back, you got to fill. Nice outcome. Right, now we're trailing price. Right, next one, pound CAD. Some of them are going to be better than others. Breakout. We're looking for the retest. Still got something out of that, so we go short here. And I'll get into the details as I mentioned later on, but that's a profitable trade because we closed 2/3. That would have been target 2 reach quite easily. Dollar yen. All right, some of these are going to be picture perfect. Look at that. There's your entry back here. The pullback, we got it. Just stay in it. Euro yen. There's a bit of volatility before the London Open. See that? You can take these. You just have to make sure that you follow a strict set of rules, and we've got that. We'll get into that as we go. All right, so again, the last trade here. The breakout happened here. We're looking for the range where it broke here. Broke here. There's your previous low to pull it. You got to fill as it traded back in here, and look at the outcome. Aussie CAD. All right, that was the previous. Okay, we've already looked at this one. And that was this one here. An okay trade, still got a bit out of it. I mean, some of these others, you get a pretty good run. New Zealand yen, all right, that's the last signal. This was the trade actually I sent to my Discord group yesterday. Look at it, still going. We'll have a look at the rest of these, but guys, jump on board. I mean, which one of these would you not want? There's no technical analysis. The signal fires, you wait for the pullback, you set your buy orders, sell orders, and you let it run. Okay, here's the link to Discord. This was the trade that I sent to our free Discord group yesterday, the New Zealand yen. Nice outcome. Join VIP. We've got a lot more going on in there. Advanced trading tutorials and a whole bunch of stuff. To join VIP, go to my website or click here. Down here, there's the link to the website. It's tradingwithanthony.com. Here are the options. I'm happy to share this with you. I don't need a lot back. I'm happy with that. You invest $19.95 a month and you have access to this. So what I'll do now, the rest of the video is going to be a tutorial on the whole setup here. These are the pairs that I prefer at the moment, and I'm going to go through and have a closer look at some of these others as well. I've color coded them green and I've set up the alert. So what I'm going to do now is show you quickly how to set the alert up, and then I'm going to show you how to trade it, what my rules of entry are for my own trades. Okay, so how to set the alert, go to the alerts over here, and you can pull this up and down. The alerts are above, the alerts log is under. Make sure that once you've set the alerts up, you know what you're looking at, because you can get a bit confused between these two sometimes. It's just a matter of going on the 5-minute chart, go into the trend channel, indicator here, click the three dots, add the alert, click that, and we go for cloud break number 2. It's CL break 2, once per bar. These are my preferences. I like the handbell, and then create. I think I've got it, so I won't do that. Alright, so there's our pound dollar alert down here. As soon as it fires, come in, and with every single one of these, the way that I trade this is like this. The alert's here. I'm looking for where the breakout is. So this is a break of this low here, or this range, whatever. Okay, there's your break. I'm going to come back and I'm going to look at the price structure prior to this. And I want to pick up really this low through here. Like the range, like where it was ranging, I want to pick up the range low, more or less through here. And then it kind of, started to, a bit of a fake out, a bit of a shake out, and then it kind of traded off. So go back, have a look at the range, all right, grab the low of the range, pull it across, and this is where I'm going to set up 3 sell orders in here at the same level on my MT5 or MT4 short position. All right, so we'll click. And I generally, this is a 5-minute chart, I generally set up my stop loss above the cloud. I mean, it's giving it a fair bit of breathing space. And I want to go, I don't know, minimum 5 to 1 or something like that. But that target down here, that's going to be dynamic insofar as, you'll trail that one. So that's the first thing, right, is to enter, set your stop loss. Look, if that looks a bit high to me, and I'll look left, I'll look at the previous high, and I'll most likely with this I would have brought it down into just above this high, something like that, above these dots and above this high. I would have done that. But anyway, and I've got the trend-based fib extension set up. I'll show you that as well. So you click, pull it down in the direction of the trade, click, pull it back, go to the entry point, click, right, and then you grab this handle and you pull it like so, and you set up your targets. Target 1 is going to be here. This is where I'm going to close 2 of these open positions. So you close 2/3 of your position at this level, which is 50% of your stop loss range. I'm calling that target 1. Close 2/3. Once you close 2/3, pull the stop loss down into the cloud around halfway through the cloud, or wherever your risk tolerance is. But you want to be break even or better, preferably better, right? But break even or better, so it's risk free. Then let it go, let it run. It moves on, and then you simply follow with your stop loss as the market moves. I tend to set my stop loss up midway through the cloud as the market shifts. As you can see by the results that we're getting here, I mean, you've just got to come in and manage it once your first target's reached. Anyway, guys, I mean, that's more or less it. Again, jump over to the website and join me in this journey. With that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.